My name's Jeremy Gazella. I'm a sales associate with Premier Roofing. Essentially day-to-day is meeting homeowners to discuss their options as far as roofing, siding, gutters, any exterior work that they need done on their house. Over my time with Premier Roofing, I've noticed it being locally owned and family owned, everybody is super approachable from top to bottom. That's my experience with different contractors over the years. That's the biggest difference between them and Premier Roofing. The biggest thing for me with Premier Roofing is the approachability of the owner and our sales manager and everybody in the office. Everybody's super willing to help and make sure we get the job done and that the homeowner is taken care of. Everybody in the office is approachable. We have a CRM that we use to have the homeowner or potential client ask questions. They could call me directly. They could speak to somebody in the office over scheduling. Just top to bottom, the transparency for the homeowner makes it easier during that whole process. The solutions that we could offer are repairs, replacements. We do everything from roofing to siding, gutters, windows, asphalt shingles, solar shingles, and flat commercial roofs. Before we actually get to an appointment, we'll give the homeowner a call to confirm the time and date of the appointment. Once I get on site, knock on the door, meet the homeowner, kind of discuss the options that they're going through, what we can do moving forward, and then that's when I'll start my inspection. Inside the house, any leaks, problems inside the house, get into the attic, then we'll move outside and do a full inspection on the roof. At Premier Roofing, once a job is complete, the homeowner will have a complete walkthrough with a foreman or a salesperson that is on the site. What they'll do is they'll walk around the entire house, go over all the details of the project, make sure everything is completed and cleaned up, and that the homeowner is 100% happy with the job. At Premier Roofing, when we work with insurance carriers for claims, we are a part of the process from start to finish. We can answer any questions you might have, especially before you file that claim. We could take a look at that roof, make sure everything is good to go, and if we feel that a claim is warranted, we'll have you go forward with that process. We know that the insurance process can be complicated. Our team is extremely familiar with the process, and we can help you with that from start to finish. At Premier Roofing, we offer a lifetime workmanship warranty with all of our roof replacements. We do understand that things happen from time to time. This workmanship warranty allows us to back up our work and fix any problems that may arise in the future. The lifetime workmanship warranty gives the homeowner that extra peace of mind moving forward. When I leave a project, I would like the homeowner to obviously feel comfortable with the process that took place. So if you have a couple questions that need to be answered or you're ready for a free estimate, give me a call. Look forward to meeting you.